Well, boys, we freaking did it. Made it to the first drift event. Got the car here. I can't believe it. I almost failed tech for something that I had been asking about and kind of thought it was like a problem, but they actually let me pass tech with it. It's actually my battery box. They gave me a pass on it, which was super cool of them. Got my GoPro, I gotta rig that up. Brantley's here taking photos.
What's going on?
We got the pit set up here. Super freaking excited. Gonna get on track here in like 30 minutes. Try to get the GoPro rigged up, get you guys some footage. Super excited. We're gonna get to it. I did my figure eight. He said just do him 1 or 2 laps open and they'll probably bump me up.
Okay.
My second gear is kind of...
Yeah, you can be third the whole track.
Can I go around him?
Yep. To the piston in mid pond last time I went.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't watching my temp gauge.
It almost looks like now it's even hotter than Q30.
Yeah, it's a tick, just a tick above. That's kind of the shitty thing about the setup they got now. If you got a problem and you got to get off, you lose the session.
Yeah. Will they let me run without a hood?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take it off for next session.
100%. at like 245 or something, and I couldn't cool it down. Went off on the street, still couldn't cool it down. Belt's still sort of coming off, not completely, but now we're both checking the whole car, trying to get it cool. We're gonna run the next session with no hood, no bumper, and hopefully it'll stay cooler. Just gotta figure out some weird stuff and then get back out there. First session went relatively okay for the one lap that I had it.
He's excited to go out. We're all here to support, including me.
Willie Mae.
Been waiting for my feature on the YouTube channel. So let's go see what's up with Will.
Fixing the car.
We're filming for YouTube. I'm getting my feature in.
Nice. You've been wanting that feature for quite a while.
That's what I was telling him.
Little does she know, the feature won't even be edited in.
Don't say that. Getting the wheels.
Did you already get that side, Patrick?
I didn't tighten it.
Okay.
It's hand loose.
Shifter, gear shifter.
Shift knob.
Courtesy of Mr. Couch's art. Very nice.
See, 1, 2.
Oh, great. What am I? Oh, I'm not steady. Hang on. Let's go get his lap thoughts. What you
Check it out.
thinking?
It's the first event. I've already got groupies. What the hell's going on here?
I just wanted to know your pre-lap thoughts.
I think it's pretty good. I got my co-pilot Chris on the way. I got my pit crew. He's watering down my shit for me. I got groupies filming me. It's pretty sick, dude.
Pretty good.
We got no hood, no bumper. Hopefully the temps are gonna stay better this time. Let the car just chill here, not running. So we're solid.
Alright, what's up, vlog? We just left Will down in the pits to go. Y'all can't really hear us, but
Sorry, that's such a tiny seat and stuff.
No, it's fine. You need to put something here, you know that though.
Yeah,
Because I already, as soon as I came in, I felt my foot on it.
yeah, it's the last minute scramble. You know,
Oh yeah. How's it doing though? Good other than getting hot?
It felt good. I got one solid lap. I did some figure eights, and then Matt was like, all right, we'll bump you up. Just do a solid lap for me. I did a lap, but then the car overheated, so I don't really know where I stand as far
Where
as
you
doing
getting
those.
hot? What's hot?
Like 245.
Okay. That's where my shit's capped out for.
Well, I want to be careful with it because I don't just have like endless, you know, funds and time to fix it.
Oh, no shit, right? Yeah. But, dude, you gotta think Vince drove the fucking wheels off of his car so bad it gets so hot.
Dude, he told me you got it to 260 or something.
Oh, no, not just like all the fucking time. I drove it home once from here.
Huh?
I drove it home from here one time.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, Vince, it was getting hot as we were driving down the road. And then it just cooled down. And I'm like, let me check. I pull over, no coolant in it whatsoever at all. Filled it up with every water bottle we had. And then still rips. Like,
Wow.
1Js are kind of, hey, knock on your wood here.
That makes me feel good about 245.
What rating did you have? The inflow?
No, it's ISR. It's all. Yeah.
CDO9, right? Stock rear end?
Yeah.
So you're third the whole time? Second. Hang on, the RX-7, yeah, RX-7 real good. give them a little room. You got plenty of room behind you. You're not blocking anybody. All right, here. See what you got. Hey, don't slam your clutch that hard. You're gonna break shit. Be smooth on your clutch. Okay, how do I do that?
Tip's staying way better now that it's got the hood off and stuff. You want me to take you back out of the front?
Whatever. Where's your tires at?
Back here?
So yeah, you need to be dancing on the clutch more and not the hard. And also something's loose in your rear.
Yeah, we just checked it. I don't know what's going on.
All 4 subframe bolts are tight and the 2 diff bolts that are going up are tight.
Yeah, I'll check them again.
Diff
But
bolts. Because that's what it sounds like to me, doing what your flow right now is. Your
Okay.
car saving you.
Okay.
So when you feel it snap a lot, you shouldn't feel it snap a lot unless you making it do that. So, but you're smooth. You got it down. You just got to be smoother and smoother on the throttle. The steering input looks good. I think
So-
you know what you. I think you know why you're pulling your e-brake and all that shit.
Yeah.
Just like I said, you just got to be smoother, and that's just going to come with seat time too. So I think you got a good idea
okay.
right now of what you're doing and why you're doing it, but just smooth. Keep it smooth. Just think that you're about to break your diff or break your trans or break something. Just keep that in mind,
Okay.
because that's gonna break, you know. So, and that's gonna make you smoother too. Now, if you're slowing down or getting tandems and shit like that, you're gonna be dancing on the clutch. I think you were telling me about that, right? Like on the
Yeah, I
game.
like going it.
The second lap you got better, you got smoother, but then you were doing this on off, like, but you weren't doing it as dramatic.
Well, see, I was like, well, I'm not gonna use the clutch, so then I just tried to use the throttle.
Hey, Will, if we're gonna do another session, you need new tires.
Yeah,
I know, that's why I came in.
tires, dude.
You get the same.
Yeah, get them on, and then whatever, and then when I get my car going, you can come hop the lap with me and see.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure, dude.
sit down on the plastic. And yeah, we'll just claim that's why my butt's wet. Yeah, the car's feeling good. It stayed cool now with the hood off and shit. There's something in the back. Something in the back still not quite right. But none of the things that would be causing that are loose. So I guess we're just gonna keep driving it and probably just a bushing. It feels like the subframe moves around a lot. Or the diff like clunks weird. Something like that. But nothing's loose. The bushings look pretty shot though on the subframe, so that's probably what it is. And yeah, we got some things to fix on the car, but other than that, it's pretty solid.
Ooh.
car on the trailer. That's a wrap. First event was pretty successful in my opinion. Car overheated just a little bit, but got it pretty much under control just by taking the hood off, the bumper. But all in all, I think it was pretty big success for the first event. Pretty stoked, y'all stoked?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, so it's all up from here. I got a couple things to fix. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.